Hello! My name is Ryan Yoakum, and I'm a Business and Data Services Librarian here at Belmont. If you're watching this, you are likely in a section of the Principles of Marketing course here at Belmont. Today, I'd like to introduce you to myself, as well as walk you through some of the ways you can get into contact with me if you have any questions during your time in this class. My role is to primarily help you out with your research and resource needs. That can include walking you through search strategies for an assignment, navigating some of the library databases, or assisting you with any other information needs you may have. You'll likely see some videos created by me walking you through some of the databases. However, today, I mainly want to focus on how you can get into contact with me. And again, please feel free to reach out to me if there's anything specific I can help you out with your topic, and I'd be happy to help. Let's get started.
Okay, and here we are now on the main page of the library website. There are one of two ways you can get here. You can either go into your My Belmont account and under Academic Resources, select Library, or just go to any web search engine and just type in Belmont Library, and it should take you to this page. Now, once we're here, the best resource we're going to use are the research guides. For this class specifically, I have curated a guide that will walk you through various databases, as well as other resources you can use to be the most successful in your project. So if we scroll down right here on this main page, we're going to go to where we have the banner with 12 different links, and we're going to go to the second column at the top where it says Research Guides. Once we click on that, we're going to filter by subject, and I'm going to go down where it says Business, and we're going to click on where it says Marketing. Now, as I mentioned before, this is going to start off with a bunch of different databases that I've specifically curated that are going to be relevant for this project. We'll also have a cheat sheet right here that will walk you through comparing the different databases depending on your research needs. And I have a citation guide right here that includes APA, Chicago, and MLA styles for various databases. So I highly recommend using these resources. If we scroll up and we go to the top left, we're going to see a bunch of different tabs that will specifically highlight specific components of marketing research. So if we click on industry research, for example, this is going to walk through a couple of databases that are specific to industry research, but also have some hints right here. So this one talks about, for example, the NAICS code system. We can click on company profiles by contrast and get a couple of other databases, as well as some information about private company research. Now, if I click on database tutorial videos, that's going to walk you through a couple of these databases via video. And you may even be on this page right now watching this introduction video. Now, the last thing I want to show real quick is how you can get into contact with me, which is actually going to be on this research guide as well. So if we go to the top, back to the homepage right here of the marketing guide, you're going to see my picture right here. And below that is going to be a big blue button that says email me. This will give you my email, and you're more than welcome to reach out via that way. You can also go below that where it says Ask Lila and click on our chat. However, I recommend this for more quick and immediate questions and nothing that is more in-depth. I'm not always on chat, and while we do not have AI running it, there will be a librarian who answers it from another institution if we are off hours. So I highly recommend using that for more quick and immediate questions, whereas you can reach out to me more directly for in-depth questions. And below that, there's going to be a button that says Schedule Appointment. So if I click on that, that will give you all of my availability, and you can select to meet with me either in person or online through Teams. I'll select in person, for example. You'll pick a day and a time that will work best for you. And then you'll just give me a brief description of how I can best help you out. And again, please feel free to use this if there's anything that I can do to help, as I ultimately want to support you during your time here at Belmont. And that's all I wanted to show for today. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and I'd be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much, and I wish you the best in doing research for this class.